Hello and welcome back to Copywriter's Corner, and in this video you're going to learn about the pain pleasure principle. And basically what this says, I forgot which philosopher made this up, but he basically said that people are more likely to run away from pain rather than chase pleasure. They've actually done studies where they gave people two groups of people, the opportunity to get $100 or to not lose $100. And they found that the people who had the opportunity, who were given the option to not lose, like, hey, do this or else you'll lose $100, versus do this and I'll give you $100, we're more likely to actually get the thing done in the case of not losing the money. And that's because, for whatever reason, we are more likely to run away from pain rather than chase pleasure. So what does that mean for you and your copy? It means as you're writing your copy, you want to definitely err more along the side of getting them to run away from their pain. The way that I like to do it so that I can make sure all of my copy is Facebook compliant is that I'm always saying this will solve the pain that you are currently in or may be in. So, for example, this pen will keep you from stressing out about the fact that you don't have anything to write with. This phone will solve the loneliness that you feel inside of your body so that you can actually call the people that you care about. It's things like that where you sort of you make the wording in a way where it's like, this will get you away from the pain that you are feeling. And the only way that you can know which pain it is that they're trying to get away from is by knowing your target market. So once again, know your target market, know what it is that they're stressing about, what keeps them up at night, and then write down every single thing that's in your copy that your product benefits them in a way that will get them away from those things that stresses them out. And also sprinkle in some positive stuff as well, because some people may be more positive based, but definitely err along the side of getting away from the negative. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.